or false? Write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is incorrect. Number 1, meter is an appropriate unit of measure to use for the distance between Manila and Cebu City. The kilometer is a more appropriate unit for the distance between Manila and Cebu City. Number 2, 57 kilometers is equal to 5,700 meters. The answer is false. 57 kilometers is equal to 57,000 meters. Number 3, 743 centimeters is equal to 7 meters and 43 centimeters. The answer is true. Number 4, 10 meters and 69 centimeters is less than 10,690 centimeters. The answer is true. Number 5, 42 kilometers and 690 meters is greater than 42,690 meters. The answer is false. 42 kilometers and 690 meters is equal to 42,690 meters, which is not greater than 42,690 meters. It is equal. Lesson activity letter D. True or false? Write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is incorrect. Number 1, kilogram is an appropriate unit of measure to use for the mass of one medicine tablet. The answer is false. Milligram or mg or gram or g would be a more appropriate unit for the mass of a medicine tablet. Number 2, 46 kilogram is equal to 4,600 grams. The answer is false. 46 kilogram is equal to 46,000 grams. Number 3, 23,253 milliliters is equal to 23 liters and 253 milliliters. The answer is true. Number 4, 15 grams and 257 milligrams are less than 152,573 milligrams. The answer is true. Number 5, liter is an appropriate unit of measure to use for the capacity of a gallon of